Are you living the life of your dreams? Manifesting all that your heart desires? Connecting with friends who are inspiring and encouraging you to live the best life you can? Feeling like your life is getting better and better each day? If you answered no to any of these questions, then Robin, Rose, and I invite you to join us on Saturday, January 11th, a powerful day of manifestation for the Infinite Possibilities Creating the Life of Your Dreams conference at Unity of Pompano Beach Spiritual Center. For this one-day manifestation event, we have brought together a very powerful lineup of teachers, authors, and performers who love to teach, inspire, encourage, and provide you with the tools you need to help you live the life of your dreams. Come experience Sheila and Marcus Gillette. Sheila just celebrated her 50th year as a direct channel of a collective of archangels known as THEO. THEO will provide you with the practical tools, insights, and healing energy in the most loving, humorous, and direct way possible. I have had the honor of experiencing THEO at least a dozen times over the past 10 years and love their healing messages of love, light, inspiration, and their amazing knowledge. If you are ready to let truth set you free, then you'll love our next presenter, Don Miguel Ruiz Jr. Don Miguel has trained his whole life with his father, best-selling author and spiritual teacher Don Miguel Ruiz, and his grandmother, Madre Sarita, and is known as one of the most sought-after spiritual teachers, as well as a best-selling author of numerous books, including The Mastery of Self and Living a Life of Awareness. If you are ready to constantly experience and have miraculous miracles, then sixth-generation psychic intuitive Deirdre Brahmi will show you how. I've known Deirdre for about 15 years and love her work. Her classes and talks are filled with humor, powerful messages, inspiration, and practical tools that you can use immediately in your life. Are you creating the life of your dreams? Well, how's that working for you? Unity of Pompano Beach Spiritual Center's Reverend Lawrence Palmer will lead us on an exploration of the creative process and the ups and downs of making decisions that stick. I am so looking forward to this talk, as I love Reverend Lawrence's Sunday sermons, as they are powerful yet practical and very inspiring. If you are ready to awaken and nurture the authentic divine being that you are, our next presenter, Leanne Somers, can help you to access your inner treasures and tools, your limitless spiritual resources, and your divine connection to the higher realms. And she does it with the help of the archangels and ascended masters of the cosmic healing rays. Are you ready to manifest the better life with Unity of Pompano Beach Spiritual Center's Beverly Spivey? Bev will talk about how the energy of the universe is continually expanding, including our personal field of possibilities. No matter what your life looks like now, there is always the possibility of more, and Bev will share ways to assure your more is better. Along with these amazing presenters, we will be joined by Alexander Perez and Sid Sel Ben Simon of Lumazone, which is a musical meeting between the divine feminine and the divine masculine, through a collective experience of sacred songs, music, heart expansion, and magical presence of the moment. They'll take us on a musical journey where we'll experience the dance between giving and receiving, endings and beginning, as one and the same. As divine beings, we have the right to live the life of our dreams, to manifest everything we want, and to be happy every day. Come experience these incredible teachers and performers as they share spiritual insights on how to create the life we have always dreamed of. We look forward to manifesting our best lives with you on January 11th, 2020 at Unity of Pompano Beach Spiritual Center in Pompano Beach, Florida, followed by post-conference workshops on Sunday, January 12th with Sheila and Marcus Gillette and THEO and Don Miguel Ruiz Jr. Early registration ends on November 30th. The early registration fee is $99 for January 11th's Infinite Possibilities Creating the Life of Your Dreams conference and $80 for both post-conference workshops. Go to reigniteyourlightevents.com to learn more and register today. We look forward to seeing you on January 11th.